Does downsizing mean giving up the life you've built? Now that's the fear that quietly holds a lot of people back. And honestly, it's completely understandable because letting go of a long-time home, or even just the idea of more space, can feel like closing a door on a whole chapter of your life. But here's what I've seen time and time again. Downsizing isn't about giving up. It's about moving forward and towards something better. I'm Mike McCarthy with 3R Downsizing, and today I want to show you how this transition can actually feel lighter, clearer, and more empowering than you may have ever expected. A life that fits you, not 20 years ago, but right now. So let's talk about that word downsize, and it carries a lot of weight, and not always the helpful kind of weight. It can sound like you're losing something. Less space, fewer things, fewer choices. But what if we looked at it as right-sizing instead? At 3R Downsizing, we follow something called the 3R method. Reflect, relocate, rejoice. And it's not about having less, it's about actually creating room for more of what matters at this time in your life. More time, more peace, more freedom. You're not downsizing your life, you're really redesigning it. So your home, your belongings, your routines, they all support who you are right now and where you're going next. And that's why we never start with moving boxes when it comes to downsizing. We start with reflection. Ask yourself, what really brings me joy right now? What routines do I love and which feel like a burden? Which memories or items still have a place in this next chapter? It's not about erasing your past, it's about curating what comes with you, with intention. And here's something I always remind my clients. You don't have to keep everything to honor what matters most. Inside our mini course that I've created, we've included tools to help, like our reflection prompts worksheet and what matters most list. And these will help you guide you in noticing what truly deserves space in your life today. Because when you reflect first, the rest becomes much, much easier. And the decision making, the letting go, even the joy of looking ahead. And then next comes relocate. And this is where the shift really happens. You're not leaving something behind. You're choosing a lifestyle that fits who you are now. Maybe it's a condo near your grandkids. Maybe it's a one-story home with no stairs, or a quieter place with more nature, less maintenance. Imagine your life with less to clean, fewer repairs, and more weekends for you. When your space supports your values, instead of draining your time and energy and sometimes your bank account, you're not downsizing, you're actually reclaiming your life. And then comes the part that most people never expect, rejoicing. Because once the dust settles, what's left is often a deep sense of lightness. Let me share a story. Clients of mine, Mike, actually, same name, not same person, and Laura kept their family home for years, partly out of habit and partly because of the memories that were with it. But when they paused to reflect, they realized the home just no longer fit their lives. So they moved into a modern, light-filled condo just 5 minutes from their grandkids. Now, quote, "We don't miss the house. We just wish we had done it sooner." So they traded yard work for coffee dates, Saturday chores for weekend getaways, and big bills for breathing room. Now that's what rejoicing can look like. Not just a new address, but a life that gives back. If you've been feeling the weight of too much house or wondering if downsizing is the right step, consider this your gentle nudge today. You're not late, you're not behind, and you're definitely not giving up. You're stepping into a chapter that's more aligned with who you are now, more space for connection, more clarity, more comfort. You've already done the hard part, building your life. But now you really get to and need to enjoy it. And we're here to walk with you, one calm, confident step at a time. And if you're curious what downsizing could look like without stress or pressure, I've created something just for you. It's called the 3R Downsizing Jumpstart Mini Course. 5 short lessons you can watch anytime. There's printable worksheets to help you reflect clearly, a step-by-step journey map to help you see, kind of where you are and what's ahead and what's not urgent. It's not about pushing you to move, definitely not, but it's about helping you make the right move when you feel ready. So if you're ready to explore the process, just click the link below or in the comments, because downsizing, it's not the end, it's the beginning of a new chapter, one that fits you beautifully. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video and in your next step.